So here I have the all new Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 up against the Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. So the Mix 4 comes in this massive package, has got a case, phone itself and a 120 watts power brick, which is awesome. Apple got this small box without power brick. I would say their cost cutting initiative, but overall both these are max out flagship devices. This one got a small notch and Xiaomi Mix 4 has got no notch, no hole at all. Yes, this is a selfie shooter inside display. I'll also share some camera samples in the end, so make sure to watch it full. And also if you are enjoying this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe, that would mean a lot. So kicking things with booting up both these devices, and here we go. A15 Bionic on iPhone with iOS 15 on top, Snapdragon 888 Plus with MIUI on Xiaomi Mi Mix 4. So Apple logo versus this new Mi logo. So in this one iPhone wins, and that is a noticeable margin. So now dialer, iPhone is quick in animations and all. Messages, that is same on both. Play Store versus App Store. And iPhone is once again quick in loading the feeds and all, opening Pokemon listing, and both are quick in this one. Now settings, and look at that design difference. You cannot even see any patch like there was on Samsung Z Fold and ZTE. This is a legit full screen experience, and both have got high refresh rate. Xiaomi Mix 4 has 1080p resolution, so do keep that in mind. So these were some basic apps. Now Angry Birds, and here we go. From now on you will see the main difference of A15 versus 888 plus CPU. Alright, so in this one Xiaomi is real quick. That is quick in Xiaomi, but iPhone was not far. Now in-app starting speed. And iPhone is chat quick there. So now I have all favorite 12 gigs game Genshin Impact, and look at that animation lag difference in MIUI. They should fix MIUI. I mean, this is a flagship device I'm using right now, so not acceptable guys. So in this one iPhone wins in loading speed, however Xiaomi wins. Now playing this game, and let me show you the graphics settings first. iPhone can play at high graphics by default, Xiaomi on medium.
Don't be afraid. It's all right now. I'm back.
Is he talking to a dragon?
So that was an amazing experience on both of them, no lags whatsoever. Now Mortal Kombat, an amazing high graphic game, full on action, and it has many characters in there. So in this one, once again iPhone wins by a huge margin. Now PUBG, yeah, I play this a lot, like I play this 6 to 7 hours in a single day sometime. So amazing game it is. Play this with your friends or family. This is an awesome game. So in this one iPhone wins once again. Now graphics settings, and both can play at max out graphics. So in this gameplay, I love how Xiaomi gave a full screen experience, no lags whatsoever. iPhone is of course the king of gaming, no lags at all. Now Reddit, and both are exactly same guys. Instagram. Yes, iPhone is little quick there. Also in my profile, iPhone is surely quick. So now real rendering test. So I have this Adobe Rush and rendering a 74 MB Plant vs Zombie clip. Here we go. Just look at that massive difference. iPhone is quick as snap, showing off the real power of A15 CPU. That is an amazing speed. Xiaomi took almost 2 minutes more and that was slow. Now RAM management test, dialer, settings, that is a refresh on Xiaomi, Angry Birds, Genshin Impact. Now Xiaomi is refreshing the app once again, that is not great at all. Mortal Kombat and Xiaomi once again guys, this is not great. PUBG, Reddit and Instagram. So without any doubt, iPhone is the king of this test. Xiaomi is quick but iPhone is way quick. Some camera samples and Xiaomi literally destroyed iPhone in low light images. Just look at that clarity and difference in images taken from Xiaomi Mix 4.
All the lights going dark and my hopes destroyed. Help me.
Here are some outdoor images and iPhone as always more towards natural tone versus Xiaomi boosting up colors, making it look good.
Calling out Mayday.
The front facing camera on Xiaomi is like not so good but not bad at all. This is all guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.